In this video, we're going to learn two simple methods for installing and using scripts in Illustrator. The first method is using a script without installing it. If you want to follow along just like in this demonstration, go to the script download link. You can find the link in the description of this video. Once you visit the website, click the download button and locate the downloaded file on your computer. If it's a zip file, you'll need to extract it first. After that, open the extracted folder and make sure you choose the correct one for your system, either Mac or Windows. Here are the Illustrator scripts we just extracted. If you want to use a script without installing it, simply copy the folder location where the scripts are stored on your computer. Then open Illustrator. In this example, I'm going to use the Duplicate at Selected Anchors script. Using the Direct Selection tool, I select the anchors and the shape that I want to replace. Then go to File, Scripts, Other Script, paste the folder location you just copied into the file name box, select the script you want to use, and click Open. Keep in mind that with this method, the script won't appear in the Scripts drop-down menu in Illustrator. The second method is by installing the script. Go to the scripts folder you extracted, copy all the scripts, then navigate to Drive C, Program Files, Adobe, your Adobe Illustrator folder, Presets, N_US, Scripts, and paste the script files into this scripts folder. Restart Illustrator. And then go to File, Scripts. You'll now see all the scripts you've installed listed there. And that's how you can install and use scripts in Adobe Illustrator. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.